Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, like, share, subscribe. If you are returning, welcome back. So in today's video, I am going to be talking about all of my skincare and body care favorites. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, like, share, subscribe. If you are returning, welcome back. So in today's video, I am going to be talking about all of my skincare and body care favorites. So I've been using the Bodycare for about a month now, and you guys will probably see that when I show you some of the products that I have and how much I've actually used. And the skincare I've been using for like a couple years now, and I will probably do an updated skincare routine or just like the products that I have been using that has cleared up my acne and my hyperpigmentation. So let me know if you guys want to see that. Just leave a comment down below or like this video. So I'm gonna get started. So I think what I'm gonna start with is the body care, because I do have more body care products than skincare. So I'm gonna start off with the K-Skin Isle Glow Body Lotion that has SPF 45 in it. When I tell you this body lotion gives you the best glow, I'm not lying. And this brand is by Winnie Harlow, and I picked this up from Sephora. Like, it literally gives you such a nice glow, and it's a little bit tinted. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's a little bit tinted. And it just gives you like the nicest glow ever. And this would look amazing in the summertime. I don't even know if you guys can see that, but it just gives you a really nice glow. I don't know if it'll pick it up on the camera, but in real life, it has like gold little like specks in it and little sparkles, but it's not too much, like it's not overbearing. So I've been wearing this like not every day, but like if I know I'm going out and I'm gonna be in the sun, I will definitely put this on. And like I said, it has SPF 45 in it, so it's going to protect you from the sun. And it also gives you a luminous and hydrating glow. And this will be really pretty to wear to the beach as well. My next body care product that I have been loving and that smells absolutely amazing is the Moroccan Oil Body Butter with Argan Oil with Hyaluronic Acid. And this is it right here. This body butter will literally leave you moisturized. Like, I am not even over exaggerating. It's not too thick, but it's not too thin. Like it's like in the middle, like it's just right. And this is, as you can see, like I've been using this a lot. It's like almost hit pan pretty much, but it's like a whipped butter pretty much. So that's what it looks like. And this, like I said, it's thick but not too thick, and it just melts into your skin, as you guys can see. And the smell is divine. Like, it smells so good. So what I would do is I would usually mix this with the body lotion, the Glow Body Lotion, and it just gives you the perfect mixture. Like I said, especially in the summer, because the sun's out, you want to be glowy, you do not want to be ashy and dry. Like, trying to be glowing and hydrating. But I really love mixing those two together. Gives your skin a really nice hydrating finish. We are moving quickly, but the next 4 body care products I literally use, I would say almost every day or like every other day. I think first I'm gonna start with the like shower stuff. So this is the Nécessaire. I think I'm pronouncing this right, or I'm probably mispronouncing the name, but this is the Nécessaire, the body wash and the body exfoliator. As you can see, this has been used like pretty much almost every day. and this is the Eucalyptus scent. And then the body exfoliator is also in the Eucalyptus scent right here. When I use this, I literally feel like I'm like in a spa. Like it just gives such a soothing and relaxing, like I don't know, it's just like really relaxing when I use this in the shower. Like I literally feel like I'm at the spa or like I'm at the beach, and it smells so good. It's not too, like the smell, because sometimes eucalyptus can be really strong. The smell is like perfect. It's absolutely perfect. And I'm pretty much like almost done with it. I have to hit up Sephora and get another one because this smells good, and it keeps your skin really smooth and hydrating and soft. Like every time I use this in the shower, swear to God, when I get out, like my skin is baby soft, baby soft. I use the body exfoliator in eucalyptus as well. It has little like beads in it. I don't know if you guys can see that. And it just exfoliates. I really use the exfoliator every day. I would use it just 2 to 3 times out of the week. But the body wash I do use kind of almost every day. It really depends. But these are a staple. I really love this brand a lot. If you guys have not tried this out, I would definitely try it out. It's definitely worth the money, and it's not too inexpensive. Like the prices are pretty good. So the next 2 products that I have from Nécessaire is like the body like lotion and the body serum. So this is the body lotion and the body serum, and they're both fragrance free. I don't know if this comes in like eucalyptus. I'm not entirely sure. I don't think so though. Like I said, as you can see, this is like almost done, and so is this one. These leave my skin so soft. It's very nourishing and it's very hydrating. This is the lotion, and the consistency is kind of thin, and just like the serum, it's kind of like the same thing as well. The serum is really soft too. And that's what I really like about these products. It will not leave your skin feeling really, really dry. It gives you a lot of moisture. And I don't think, these aren't too inexpensive, I believe. But one thing about me is when it comes to skincare and body care, I will spend a bag. Because my skin means everything to me. Like, I do not care. Like, I will spend a bag on my skin because I feel like that's the most important thing. Like, your skin is so important. It's so important to take care of it. We cannot be dry and crusty out here, okay? So my next body care product, this is the Ouai Scalp and Body Scrub. I love this. I absolutely love this. This scrub smells so good. I'm not even lying. Like, go to Sephora, I think Ulta sells it, go in the store and go smell it. It smells so good. Like, you guys can see that I use this like every week. It's been going. I use it all over my body, and I use it with an exfoliating glove, and it just leaves my skin just baby soft. This is definitely worth the money. I believe this was $38. I picked this up from Sephora. It is worth every cent. If you guys have not picked this up, please pick this up. I have not used this in my scalp or like my hair. I've just used it on my body, and I love it. It's probably like my favorite body care product at the moment. So on to skincare, and this is my favorite part because I love this skincare and I've been using it for years. But I just wanted to show you guys like my top 3 favorite products that I have been using. Honestly, for a very, very long time. I kind of just incorporated one of them. I wanted to just tell you guys, and maybe you guys can pick it up if you guys are going through the same thing I'm going through, where you have acne and you kind of just have some pimples that you just want to get rid of fairly quickly. That product is definitely worth it. But I'm going to start off with the cleanser, and I talked about this in my skincare video that I did probably a couple months ago. This is the Zio Skin Health Exfoliating Cleanser for normal to oily skin. And my skin overall, I would say it's kind of normal. I do have like oily spots like in my T-zone area, but I would say this pretty much helps kind of to control the oil on my skin. I love this cleanser a lot. It's very, very lightweight. It has little beads in it as well. I don't know if the camera will pick that up, but I don't know if you guys can see that, but it has just like little beads in it, so it kind of gives you like that exfoliating effect. This is the only cleanser that I use. I do not use any other skincare. Like, this is the only skincare brand I use. I swear by it. I would say it really helped with my skin overall, like my acne and just having breakouts. This definitely like calms my skin. So my next product that I really like, and I was saying how sometimes my skin gets dry. This Hydrating Cream by Zio Skin is literally a lifesaver, no joke. If you guys have dry skin and it's flaky, and I would give this a go. This will literally save your skin. It's so moisturizing and it's very hydrating. And especially because I do get pico laser treatments for my hyperpigmentation, and I'm using all these products, so it really helps to lock in those products and to keep your skin moisturized like all day, because I know sometimes when you use certain products it can dry out your skin, so that just helps keep your skin hydrated and moisturized. So finally, my last skincare product that I have been loving for my acne is by Zio Skin as well, and this is the Acne Control, and this has 10% benzoyl, I'm probably mispronouncing this, oh my god, peroxide. I use this for like if I have like some active acne, which I do on my forehead. I'll usually like spot treat it, or I'll just like rub it in. But this really helps to like zap that pimple away. Like, I'm not even kidding. I had a pimple the other day and I put it on and I just spot treated it and I actually slept with it. By the morning, the pimple was completely gone. So it kind of like, I would say it kind of like dries out the pimple, I guess, if that makes sense. But this is really, really good. I like this as well. I would say if you struggle with acne and you kind of need something like, I don't want to say quick, but I guess kind of quick to kind of get rid of it, I would definitely recommend this as well, because this is really good and this definitely helps to get that pimple gone completely. Those are some of my skincare and body care favorites. Like I said, I'll probably do a updated like skincare routine, or kind of just talk about the products that I have been using that really has helped my acne and my hyperpigmentation. And maybe I'll kind of go in depth with my pico laser treatments. I do have one next month. I may vlog that so you guys can see how my skin progresses throughout the days, because it really is a process, but it is definitely worth it. My skin has really transformed a lot. Definitely check those products out. Like, I'm going to leave what I talked about in the description below for you guys. You guys can check those out. But please, please, please like, share, subscribe, comment, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what other videos you guys would like to see, and I will see you guys in my next video.